Hello, happy Thursday evening. I just wanted to hop on here and say hello and chat with you guys for a little bit and let you know all about the open house. Hello, Sandy. How are you? This is kind of different. Hello, Glenda. How are you? Glenda, I was supposed to come to your house if I could stop by this week. I'll try to tomorrow if you're available tomorrow. Anyhow, that's not why I stopped on here. Hi, Nancy. Hello, Teresa. Hello, Deanna. Hello, everyone. I'm so glad there's somebody on here. I don't normally do this, but I just got home. I sat down and I'm doing all the things. And I'm sitting here thinking of all the things that I really need to do. And Gina's telling me she's still not in on the Facebook. Okay, Gina, I will, as soon as I get off here, Gina, I will help you. I promise you. So everybody went and did their thing this evening. And I'm just sitting here in this chair thinking, okay, what else do I need to do before this open house? Hello, Sandy. I know I can't tell you. Hello, Teresa. I am just so overwhelmed with all this, but I can tell you I'm super excited, guys. I am getting all the stuff ready for this house, the open house, and that house is looking amazing. Amazing. I guess I should introduce myself, shouldn't I? I'm Tabitha Yount. I'm the owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors, and thank you for joining me. Hello, Tammy. Hello, Connie. Hello, Margaret. Hello, Angela. Hello, everyone. Hello, Cheryl. I'm telling everybody hello. Okay, so I'm sitting here and I was starting to think about all the things for the open house, and lots of people were asking me all these questions. And I thought, you know what, the best way to do is just to go live, just to talk to you guys about all the things that's going to happen. So Friday night at the open house, we are going to have all the ladies in the Elegant community. They're going to come and we have a special treat for them there and different things like that, a little special thing for them. I'm not going to give that away. Even though I really want to, because I have some really cool things and planned for them. But we're going to tour the house together and do all the things there together. So that's just kind of for those ladies and gentlemen, whoever. I don't think we have any men in our community quite yet, but we will. I think we will, ladies and gentlemen. I think we will. But for the people that are in our Elegant community, that's the evening that we're going to do that. And then for Saturday, it's open to everyone. Anybody that follows us here on this Facebook page, or anybody that follows me at all. Hello, Sue. Hello, Monica. Anybody that follows us, they can come to the open house. It's all free. It's open. If you're looking for a house to buy, this is an amazing house to buy, guys. The more I decorate it, it's funny because when you start doing these houses, they're so pretty. They're really not pretty. This house had beautiful bones. Let's be honest. Let's be completely honest. This house had beautiful bones before. And I pick all the things out before Jason does all the renovations and things like that. And it's just beautiful. But as it starts building that character and you start doing the construction, of course it's pretty and all those things. But I'll be honest, the more I decorate it, the more I'm falling in love with it. It's so, so pretty. I was in there today and they're professionally cleaning the windows and they're doing all the things because there's only like 50 some windows in this house, right? And they're in there cleaning all the windows and I'm thinking, oh, this is such a beautiful home. The views at this house is just unbelievably gorgeous, guys. And I'm putting the rugs in there and I'm doing all the drapes and all the fabrics, and Sherry and Lexi, my daughter, was with me, and we were looking at all the fabrics, and some of the furniture has arrived today and all the things, and it's just so pretty. It's just pretty. I don't know how else to say it. It's just so pretty. Hello, Sandra. Hello, Diane. Hello, everybody. Thank you guys for joining me. And I just think it's pretty. You're going to have to just see it for yourself. The entryway of this house is amazing. I mean, that staircase could not have turned out any more gorgeous than if I picked it out myself, which I did. So you have to come and see the house on Saturday. It's open from 10 to 4. Now I'm going to tell you some different things that we do in our open houses when we come. It's open to anyone. You can invite your friends, your family, whoever you want, your neighbor, whoever wants to come. You can invite them to come and tour the house. It's for free. You just come and tour. If you're looking for the house and you're looking to buy it, you can come there and we can visit and do all the things. If you're looking to renovate your house, and you want questions and you want to look at different products that are in the house that we use and all the different things, this is a great time, guys, to come in there. There's real natural hardwood floors that have been laid by people that's local. We have done all the beautiful colors that I use and we talk about. Those are all throughout the house, and the cabinetry. I'm trying to think of all the different things, the chandeliers, those things you're going to be able to see in person. So I know it's really funny because you sit and follow me and you watch me on this Facebook page and talk, but it's to be able to come up to it close and personal. And that's what's awesome about it, is to be able to see all the products. Not to mention, I'm going to tell you, it's all decorated. It's just got the most beautiful touches. One of the things I want to tell you that I love about this house is that we used grays. We did peppercorn, which a lot of you probably haven't seen. I haven't showed a lot of the inside or the some of the outside I have, but the outside has blacks and, the grays and all those tones, but we did white woodwork and things like that. But you're going to be able to see how we mix. I don't know, I guess I'm not holding that very good. You're going to be able to see how we mix the grays and the brown tones together. The sofa and the chair from Colony House arrived today, and it is stunning in there, guys. That sofa and chair is amazing in there. It's just beautiful. So if you're in the process, if you really, really need a sofa and it's tuffed, which, it has the big tuffing in it, it's gorgeous. I mean, that's a custom fabric. The sofa and the chair will be for sale. So if you're in the market for a new sofa and a chair and some different furniture, everything in the house will be for sale. Some of it you'll be able to take, and some of it you will not. Some of it we have to leave in the house for staging. But I want to tell you, in case some of that we'll be able to buy. But I do want you to see it up close and personal, so when we sell some of the products, you guys can take it. So there's that. I wanted to bring that out because a lot of people have asked me that. I'm hoping, another thing is, and praying that everything comes in. We have some candles because, we talk about the really smelly good candles. We're hoping that those are available. I ordered those, and hopefully they'll be in so you can purchase candles and all the smell goods. So all these things are happening, and hopefully they'll all come in and it'll all just work out perfectly. So I do want to recommend you to come, and if you want to wear your mask, you can wear your mask. If there's not hardly anybody in the house, you're more than welcome to tour the whole house. It's all going to be open to the public. So I just want to tell you, hello, Angela. Hello, Renee. Hello, Lisa. Hello, Stephanie. Hello, everyone. It's so exciting that you're all here. I'm so glad. The house is turning out amazing. And, it's so funny because I'm kind of bringing out all the different tones in this. And the walls are kind of a light French gray and a pewter cast and a peppercorn is what I used in this house. And alabaster for the trim. And then we used coffee for the cabinetry. And it's lovely. It's gorgeous. It's just stunning. There's 2 huge islands in this house. One seats for 3 and the other one seats for 6, I believe. You can seat 6 at the other one. So it has 2 big islands into this house. And yes, you guys have got to see it. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. I think you'll be amazed how much it's changed. I'm going to post the pictures tonight. The pictures that we started with. I think that's helpful, don't you guys? Do you guys give me some hearts or hands up some thumbs up if you guys think that the pictures are easier to see, to remember it before we did it. So I want you to see the before pictures, and then you guys can come in and see the after pictures. Because everybody likes to see the before pictures, because you forget. It had every single room in this house had wallpaper. Remember that? It had 3 or 4 layers of wallpaper in it. So we went in, we removed all that. And then we thought there was only 1 layer. There was 3 layers of wallpaper in this house. It was crazy. It was just crazy. So that's all down. Now it's all just beautifully fresh, pretty walls, and you guys got to come see it. So if you're thinking about coming and joining me on that, it is September the 26th at 10 to 4. And I can't wait to see you guys. If you guys have any questions for me, or we guys can look at the house and we can visit and do all the things. So definitely come. I want to say September the 25th. I've had lots of questions about that. That is for the Elegant community. Those ladies and those people that are in there, we have some things, so that's a private thing. If you're in there, I definitely want to recommend you to do that, but I will go into the private community once I'm done with this to talk to you guys about that. So what's going to happen there and what all we need to do there. But for today, for tonight, right now, I'm talking about what's going to happen on the 26th. It's from 10 to 4. You're more than welcome to come, bring whoever you want, and come and tour the house. It's just turning out so pretty. I was putting I was putting basically all the fabrics everywhere, just making sure that I liked them all, and that was turning out so pretty. I was like, I don't want to sell it. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. You've got to see it, guys. I really encourage you to come see it in person. And we will definitely be posting pictures after all the events and all the things. But for sure, you have to see it in person. It's just not the same. And the views are amazing. The windows are gorgeous in this house. So, okay, guys, if nobody has anything else to say, please share this. And I will try to put up the dates and the times again. And the landscaping, everything is just so pretty. This house is just fabulous. It just needs a perfect little family to move right in. So if you're in the market for looking for a beautiful house, come visit. The location, it is 29 Eastwood Drive, St. Joseph, Missouri. So that's the address, 29 Eastwood Drive in St. Joseph, Missouri. So thank you, Carol. Thank you for telling me the location. I will post that again up here with another picture of it. So you guys will have the times, the dates, and the location of it. And I can't wait to meet you guys and to see you guys and do all the things so we can visit and see the house together. It's beautiful. It has plenty of space. And I'll show you my very favorite space in this house. It's gorgeous. There's one room in there that is fantastic. I love going in there. I can just sit in there just like I'm doing right now in my own house. So, okay, guys, I will talk to you guys soon. Hello, Ray. Hello, Willie. Hello, Laura. Thank you guys for being here. Share this as much as you can. Share all the posts so that everybody knows about the open house. It will be September the 26th from 10 to 4, unless you're in my community. And it will be September the 25th. Hello, Cynthia. How are you? Hope you're having a good evening. So I will be in the Elegant community right after this, visiting with you ladies that are in there. And otherwise, oh no, I am living in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Well, that would probably be hard for you, Patty, to come, unless you want to just have a little road trip, but that's a big road trip for you. But yes, it would be fun. I can't wait to see you guys. And I promise, Patty, for you out of towners, I will be posting lots and lots of pictures and maybe a little tour or something for you guys. So I have lots of things planned for this house, but definitely share it for me. And I'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much. Bye.